life would suck without you. My life would suck without you.
Yeah.
That's it.
Not wearing glasses is fine.
That works.
I must confess, my heart is pounding in my chest. Has this love express? I'm just so low. Oh my God, is that Charlie Puth? All the kids in the hood, Hollywood and shaking hands. Hollywood, we live in college town. And they're trying to shake their heads like you know how to dance. Hollywood, we live in college town. Brawling party goers, these kids beat as algae stoners, dancing around like a bunch of faggots. Funnier than fuck, you can have fun faggot. Never claim that I knew how to dance. I'll get drunk, get high, pull out my pants. So fuck my punch, just fill in my cup. Don't kiss me, bitch, you just threw up, man.
Okay, ready? On 3. I'm gonna laugh. 2. Okay, ready? Go. I don't even like feel it. That came out of my mouth. I just had a replay of your burp in my head. Me too. There we go. It was stuck.
They sound so weird.
Oh, that was a belch. Oh, I can feel it like building from my stomach. So how are you today? Ah, baby barfed. Oh,
I heard that.
I'm still laughing with you. All my burpees are gone. I think after the baby barf, like they'll just do. Oh wait, it's working up.
You missed a really good one. She hit the end button right as I burped. It was horrible. You okay? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this.
Why, are you okay, NZ?
No. It's
Hey, I threw up this morning and I'm still doing this.
That is true. I don't have a strong stomach when it comes to warm. So does.
Oh, it's working up.
Oh my God, they hurt. I have about a quarter left.
That was weird. Oh, don't throw up.
Anyway, I think we know who won.
Hey, mine were just more. Huh. Yours were longer and bigger, and mine were just cuter. In a kind of grandpa-ish sort of way.
Grandpa sort of would.
I'm not calling myself a guy, because I'm not, but, yeah.
I burp like a guy. I need to wipe my face off.
Come back.
Out of the way.
Take one. Where's my, oh. Wait, how do I hit the button and be ready at the same time?
It's like we do last time, just edit that part out. Wait, is it going now?
Are you ready?
Is it going?
Yes.
Oh,
I think.
shoot.
I don't know. Let me check.
Stay off my cord.
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh. Hi.
I'm just trying to like hit the button. I was doing this at Kelly's house. Wait. Ew. Come out.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm a green person. Yeah, that feels gross.
I'm a green tiger whale.
Don't ask what this is right here, okay?
It's our snot. Oh my god, it's all over my shorts.
There's a hole.
Ew, it's in my short screen.
I wish you guys could like feel this. Like, I'm not even kidding. It's disgusting. It makes our hands green.
Yeah, we woke up this morning and I was like, oh my god, Haley, your hands are green. Then I was like, oh my god,